My name is Bijender Mishra. I look after the whole cybersecurity portfolio for Alkem and its 5 subsidiaries, domestic and international. Last year was good, although it was very challenging, to ensure that we are largely safe and secure because a lot of, cyber attacks happened during this pandemic, and pharma was the most vulnerable for cyber team. Yeah. So overall, I would say that in terms of achievement, we had a great business continuity. We also achieved something called, we call it, uh, that our approach should be where security should be by design. So that also up to certain extent we have achieved. And this cyber security and business growth, all these are part of our journey. It's not a destination. So still we are trying to achieve more milestones in this new financial year. So the first point I would like to highlight here is to identifying the risk. That is the first thing, the first step. So identifying the new vulnerabilities within the system is a challenging task. But I have seen while exploits, emerge every day, the modern, I would say CISOs are at the edge of responsibility, carve away towards security. So they have to, proactively identify and respond to attacks on a daily basis. In this era of, hyper connectivity, as thousands of devices get connected, cybersecurity leaders must know the importance of being equipped at identifying and protecting sensitive and confidential data. So the first thing, as a CISO, I would have, priority to identify the risk. The second priority I will have, to embracing and leveraging technology. So, evolving technology is a solution to all future problems. And as a CISO, I should be also, part of that journey. Yeah. So day-to-day work should get automated, automate functions to better utilize resources and talent. Also we should have active automation strategy, for IT team. So embracing and leveraging technology should be my second priority. The third priority, what I have seen in India also, bridging the skill gap. So it's a, very, we have seen a very challenging task what we have to bridging the skill gap. So the scarcity of talent in cybersecurity is a major roadblock for security today. So CISOs are moving towards outsourcing as much as they can. Yeah, because even many security leaders, still think that they should have a huge role in bridging the gap amid the arising hybrid work environment. Yeah. So as a CISO, I should be on the front line evaluating and integrating new cloud technologies and directing new guidelines for supply chain. Fourth point for me would be adopting cyber resilience. So nowadays most of the leaders they talk about resilience, but adopting cyber resilience would be another priority for me. If you would like me to summarize top priorities as a CISO, I will start with identifying the risk. Then I will move to embracing and leveraging the technology. Then next step I would take to bridging the skill gap, securing supply chain and third-party integration, adopting cyber resilience, and last but not the least is building a security culture. That is very, very important. It doesn't matter what tools and technology you bring and deploy. Having a security culture is very important. So those 5-6 priorities I will have, as a CISO for year 2022. Pharma is a growing industry. Future is good, but as you know that it's a heavily regulated industry. So a lot of regulators you have to pass through multiple regulations, multiple audits. So pharma has a bright future. Lot of challenges, but I'm sure that if you talk, as a overall pharma is going to grow. We'll have multiple challenges. Even we have seen during this pandemic, getting raw materials and all. That was a big challenge for pharma. industry. Cost is going to be another big challenge because the raw material cost has gone up. So managing the costing part is another big challenge. And pharma is something which even government is trying to encourage industry leaders to adopt all best practices what pharma industry can adopt.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.